Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the magnificent world of iron-rich foods. Iron may not have capes or fancy gadgets, but it sure is a super nutrient for all you fabulous folks over 50. So, get ready to power up and discover 7 mighty sources that will boost your iron levels and keep you feeling like superheroes. Not that kind of iron. Spinach. Popeye was onto something. Picture this. You gobble down a bowl of spinach and, voila! Your muscles transform into bulging biceps just like Popeye. Okay, maybe not. Spinach does pack a powerful punch of iron. This leafy green contains non-heme iron which your body can easily absorb. So, embrace your inner Popeye and whip up some spinach salads, smoothies, or sautés. Chickpeas, the fiber heroes. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are your iron-rich friends with benefits. These fiber-packed goodies not only promote a healthy gut but also enhance iron absorption. Talk about multitasking. Indulge in some delicious homemade hummus or toss chickpeas into your salads, soups, or stews. Go chickpeas! Pumpkin seeds, tiny warriors of the Iron Kingdom. Ahoy! Meet the unsung heroes of the snacking world, pumpkin seeds. These tiny iron warriors boast not only a good dose of iron but also zinc and magnesium. They're practically a multivitamin. Toss these fearless fighters onto your yogurt, oatmeal, or roasted veggie dishes, and let the party begin. Lean meats, the sizzling superheroes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the arena of lean meats. Think chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef. The royalty of iron-rich foods. Cue dramatic music. These meats provide heme iron, which your body absorbs with ease. Prepare your taste buds for some sizzling stir-fries, grilled kebabs, or a good old roasted chicken. Dark chocolate, a sweet treat with hidden powers. Can you imagine a world where chocolate saves the day? Well, dream no more. Dark chocolate, with its potent dose of iron, will satisfy both your sweet tooth and your iron needs. Embrace this guilty pleasure while maintaining that iron equilibrium. Who knew life could be so tasty and nutritious? Lentils, friends forever. Lentils might not be your childhood companions, but you'll quickly realize they're the best pals your body could ask for. These little legumes are a fabulous source of iron, protein, and fiber. Soups, stews, and salads all crave their friendship. It's a win-win situation. Fortified cereals, the breakfast brigade. Breakfast, assemble. Fortified cereals swoop in, offering our bodies a morning dose of iron. Just ensure you pick the right cereals, as some are more iron-rich than others. Pour a bowlful of these mighty flakes and slay the day with your iron levels at an all-time high. Now that we've uncovered these incredible iron-rich foods, it's time for you to become the superhero of your own nutritional story. Embrace spinach like Popeye, love chickpeas like your fiber-filled sidekick, and don't forget the dark chocolate for those daring missions. With these iron warriors by your side, you'll conquer age-related iron deficiencies and feel energized like never before. Remember, always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine your specific iron needs. Iron may be mighty, but it's important to maintain a balanced diet and consider individual requirements. Stay healthy and enjoy your journey as an iron-rich superhero.